Alrighty traders, George here. Time for a look at the trade of the week and the anatomy of a 300 pip trade in the Euro futures here. This is the screenshot from the video I just did 2 days ago, and this trade working in favor very well, very quickly. So let's get into a little bit of what has driven this. This is the balance beam model. This is the strategy that I showed you guys. The big takeaway here is there's a lot of trading commitment at the middle of the chart. This is the dominant balance beam here in the middle, and with price breaking a little bit above or below is what I was looking for as a trigger to be long or short. But with price breaking below, not as much trading commitment until this balance beam here, and then things really drop off. So the initial targets of 1250 and 1188 below the entry of 1326, and then below that this air pocket. Not as much trading here, could really see price move down even more. Let's check out price now. And here we go. Same chart. There's the breakdown. Look at price. Beeline to the floor here. Okay, so targets 1 and 2 easily hit, and price has pressed just below the floor, put in a little resistance swing there, and we're trading now with the potential to take out these swing lows and go ahead and hit this third target. Let's look to the left and see a little bit of what's going on. So here's the first scalp, second target, and then this floor break here should see price move in favor a bit more. And there's the break, and there's price easily putting its toe in the pool there. So the big driver behind all of this is the psychology of traders. It doesn't matter what the story is, it's all about the psychology of traders. The traders that are going long here, they're saying if I only did the opposite, I would have made money. Just like the traders that are going short here, thinking how could the euro possibly go up because of reasons X, Y, and Z that have nothing to do with the orange rectangle, all about emotion and fundamentals. The traders that are going short here, they're getting their rear end handed to them by being short on top of all this trading commitment. Just like the traders that are going long here, thinking that the euro is about to make some amazing recovery, they're seeing price break below the most heavily traded zone and move against them very quickly. So you've got traders that are booking gains from longs. You've got traders that are newly entering short positions here, and you have traders that are long that are scrambling to exit from red ink, to go from pain to pleasure. Likewise here, this psychology is the driver to everything, gang. So traders that are going short here, they've got red ink until they move from that pain to pleasure, which is being flat, and then onto the next key rotation. So this is what we talked about in the live room this morning. So obviously easily tagging these targets. The real key transition here is below 1140s. So what I mentioned was use your 5-minute chart. For those of you that are balance beam traders, go to your fib dots, which started to take over to the bear trend here this morning as we pushed off of that 1140 zone, and there they are, still containing price down to 1105s right now. So price breaches 1106 and you're out. If we take out the low here, we're likely going to move down at least to this target level here, and that would be a good way to re-enter the trend with the right strength of signal, assuming that it pops up here and then the need for that arises. But for right now, we get over 1106s, fib dots have us out, assuming we don't drive any lower. If we start to drive lower, these fib dots are going to come along for the ride, and it's a great mathematical way to exit the position based on one of our indicators there. So use the link at the bottom of the video. You can hop in the live room. You can see me day trade some markets as well as do more big picture analysis like this. We'll obviously be on top of this euro action as well as all the other key markets, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.